Hello coders, welcome to another tutorial on Python for absolute beginners. Today we are going to write our first code in Python. If you have not seen our previous video on what is Python, please find the link in I button or description. So let's get started. There are two versions of Python available, which are 2 and 3. These are not compatible with each other, so question arises which one we should learn and why. Python 2 is a legacy version and you will not get much support for this. Many companies have moved their code from version 2 to version 3, like Facebook and Instagram. Python 3 is current and supported version, and in future we are going to use it majorly. So in this tutorial we are going to learn Python 3. But if your company is using Python 2, you can learn Python 2 also. Before we write our first code in Python, let's understand that Python is case sensitive language, which means case of letter matters. So Python in small letters is not equal to Python in capital letters. So we will keep that in our mind and we will write our first code. So guys, it's the time to perform our first code in Python. We are going to print output of our code as hello world. So while learning any new programming language, it's kind of tradition to write hello world code. So we will do the same. So let's write print hello world. So here print is a function which will return whatever you will write inside parentheses, as here we have written hello world. Let's see output of it. So it is hello world. Notice we have given hello world in quotes because any sentence or character is a string and in Python we write it in quotes. One more thing I want to discuss is about comment in Python. So here you can see that I have written hash and then my first program in Python. So it is comment here. Comments have no significance for interpreter. It skips all the comments. I have discussed about interpreter in last video. Comments are only for user understanding. Once you will learn Python, you will write huge and complex programs in Python. So to have an understanding of program, programmers prefer to write comments and we are going to use it lot in this tutorial series. After hash, anything you write is a comment. Multi-line comments are also present in Python, which we will learn in upcoming tutorials. So that was it friends. Please like, share, subscribe our channel and press bell icon to get notification whenever we upload next video. Till then, bye bye. See you in next video.